Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create these beautiful bars. For example, clicking on the checkbox, you can see there is a different type of the bars that adding or not, we can also change the colors. To start, I prepared the worksheet. At the beginning, you need just to select the column and go to Insert. Choose the checkbox. As a result, in the cell, you will see the checkbox. Just drag them down and let's write our formula. I have already written the formula that you'll find in the description. So let's start. We write SPARKLINE at the beginning, then COUNTIF. After we select our cells, for example, like in this case, we give also the argument. So our cells are objectives, stakeholders, project charters, D4, F5, and we add the chart type, bar, max, for, color, and that's it. As the result, we have different type of bars. Clicking on the checkbox, the bar is going to be higher or lower. It depends on the argument that you introduce. If you enjoyed this video, please put your like and subscribe.